Good day, my wonderful audience. This is Chigozie online maths. Now let's look at this question. Divide 50 by half and add 20. Option A, we have 22, we have 45, we have 100, we have 120. Now many students are saying that the answer is 45, but this is very wrong. Don't make that mistake. Okay, let's look at the correct answer. So first of all, write your solution, which is solution. Now the question is, divide 50 by half. First of all, ask yourself, what is half? Half is 1/2. That is half. So they say, divide this 50 by this half. You understand? So very simple thing, just write 50 divided by half. Very simple now. Now equals to this, we change to what? Multiplication now. You know that one. So 50 times, we reverse this now. We all know that. So times 2/1. So 50 times 2 is 100. So divide 50 by half is 100. Next thing, add 20. Add 20. Add 20 is simply 100 plus 20, which is equals to 120. Very simple as ABC. Very simple. So therefore, this is my answer. I hope you've learned your mistake and correct it ASAP. Thank you for learning. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and please share it so that others can learn too. Thank you.